All right, we're gonna go for a spin in one of my favorites here, 1970 SS El Camino. It's the SS 396 version. 70, of course, the best year. It's the one everybody wants. In 1970, the 396 blocks were, they had a problem with them at the factory, so they bored them all out. So they're pretty much all 402s. So that made the 396 a 350 horsepower. That's the story. So this is the matching original engine. I'm sure it's been rebuilt. It runs really well. The car was restored some years back. It's forest green metallic with the white stripes. It's got the functional cowl induction hood up there, which is really cool. Shifts great, turbo 400. It's got a 331 Posi-Traction rear differential. It's got the sway bars. It's got factory air conditioning, blows nice and cold, actually updated to 134. Actually has a little better compressor too. I have the original compressor if somebody wants that. But it's got an AM FM radio, a couple of added gauges down below. Got phenomenal oil pressure. Right now it's a little cold, it's running almost 80 pounds. But beautiful car. It looked fantastic. I was about to do pictures and video and I looked at the tires and they looked good, but they were cracking. 1978 was the date code on the tires. I'm like, oh my goodness, this car has not been used. So I put brand new BF Goodrich TA radials on there so you don't have to worry about the tires. But we'll go up here and take some more pictures and get a better look at this one. All right, we're gonna do our walk around here with our beautifully restored 1970 SS 396 El Camino. It's the 350 horse version, which is basically the 402. Turbo 400 transmission, 12 bolt Posi-Traction rear differential with sway bar, 331 ratio. It's got those custom black plates, that's kind of cool. Z25 was the designation for 396, SS 396. And Southgate, Dana Chevrolet, that was the original dealer it was sold at. And they used to sell cars like Yanko did. They'd take Camaros and they put big motors in them, 427s, that sort of thing. I mean, this is all stock, but kind of neat that it came from there. I left the plate frame on instead of putting one of ours on it. But it's got the original 14-inch rally wheels on there. SS rally wheels, brand new BF Goodrich TA radials. Like I said earlier, the tires were from 1978. Surprised the heck out of me. Drove good too with them, which surprised me. But it's got the functional cowl induction hood, factory air, power steering, power disc brakes, of course the hood pins. We'll show you the interior. It's got dual mirrors. Nice interior though. Black carpeting, factory tack, clock doesn't work, kind of typical. It's got this couple Stewart Warner gauges down there. It'll tell you really what's going on. I mean, it does have gauges, but those are probably more accurate. The dash is great shape. It's original color too, forest green metallic. Everybody paints them red, silver, black. It's kind of nice to have something the original color. Like I mentioned earlier, also have the build sheet for it, so that's a big plus when you're buying a matching number car. You know what it really is. Here's the power plant in our beautiful El Camino. Again, it's the original 396, 350 horse. Got a couple upgrades. It's got some headers on it, and it also has a Edelbrock aluminum intake manifold. It's always nice to have too. And it has an updated AC compressor. So I have the original compressor for it and hoses. Somebody wanted to make it all original again, but this is supposed to be a little better, a little more efficient. Plus it's 134, the cheaper freon. But beautiful under here. There's that functional hood with the rubber seal there. Go ahead and fire this one up for you. Got a flapper working over there. Got a nice tuned dual exhaust with some Flowmasters on it. The motor sounds amazing. But you can drive it. 331s, you can get on the freeway, turn the air on, take it for the longer cruises if you want, do the hot rod power tour. Just go. Look at the bed in this car. It's just beautiful. Very nice restoration. Sounds amazing. Ready to go. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out and see me at California Cars, 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. My name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car in person, or if you want to have some questions about it, you can give me a call. I can get it shipped to you, get you some financing if you got strong credit, all that good stuff. All right, thank you for watching.